Jason, they leap in unison away from the gate. Jassy to Shakti from the outside, willing and able. Then on the inside, his fair weather friend answered prayer. Mascara racing on the outside, Burdensome to Brook, while Queen Elisabetta is the early trailer. Fair weather friend followed by Jassy to Shakti in second, and racing third by another length is the favorite, willing and able, as they round the 3/4 mile distance, sizing up, mirroring each other. Jassy to Shakti and by the rally's fair weather friend, closing in third is willing and able, and running in fourth by about 7 lengths, 1A Burdensome. Then comes Answered Prayer, Mascara, Tobruk, and Queen Elisabetta is the tail ender. Willing and able, Foxy's nose to grab the lead. Jassy to Shakti is running by the rail, and as they race the last 550, now the course of the wind has been altered with willing and able, this time by about 3 lengths. Jassy to Shakti, Mascara closing in third, Answered Prayer as they race the final corner. Willing and able by only a length and up. Mascara is on the outside. Willing and able, Mascara burning the tracks to grab the lead. It's now Mascara by about 3 lengths, willing and able, and nearing the finish line, Mascara overpowering willing and able. Third, Answered Prayer, Queen Elisabetta, Jassy to Shakti, Tobruk,